Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
Yeah, fucked up. Don't even check up on me.
You said don't check?
But this right? Try to do it. I normally drop it with I normally drop it. You have it in stock?
They had a order.
Got everything in stock, but the shit you actually need. I told this nigga I was gonna have this done today. That ain't happening. I lied, bro. look like a rabbit. Got the eyes. See when the eyes are. Check that. Almost did the same shit with my transmission, bro. That ass, bro, that shit fucking moved a little bit. That's the transfer case, bro.
Did you ever had that mac and Cheetos? No. You never had mac and Cheetos from Burger King, nigga? See, look, I'm not gonna lie. I'm one of these rare niggas who like Burger King more than McDonald's. I ain't gonna lie. I like Burger King too. Pretty printed ass meat. What? You eat some pretty printed ass meat, nigga. I was never touch they fucking chicken, man. They got 20 pieces for $1. I'm fucked up. Fuck kind of chicken actually. You know what I'm realizing, nigga? The more and more that kids get chicken, the cheaper that fucking McChicken. Nah, not McChicken. The cheaper that fucking chicken nuggets get, nigga. The more Mr. Kids are doing every day is an hamburger.
Yo, out here, nigga, it really is, bro. Why is there so much fucking hamburger?
It's a hamburger every day. It's really chicken nuggets every day. Chicken nugget meal good.
I ain't gonna lie, McDonald's snapping that up.
Or I'm gonna Chick-fil-A and get the 30-piece hard cheese. See, that's fire. Chick-fil-A nuggets is fire. That niggas ever have PDQ?
Nigga chilling on a subframe and shit.
Get that little nigga.
I finally picked one of these bitches up, bro.
That new niggas tell.
So far, we ain't heard nothing so far yet. Might be a good sign. But so what we did was we changed the bevel box because the VTA told us to change it. We changed that, didn't fix it, so we went with an axle. We did the axle first, then we did the bevel box. Did the left front axle, still the same noise. And then that's when the QTM guy came out, and then he was with the shop foreman. They did a little inspection and test drive, and then they came to a conclusion with the ABS. The ABS sensor was throwing a grinding noise, and I guess what they did was they pulled that sensor out, and they cleaned the inside where the sensor sits in, cleaned all the dirt out, and it was still doing it. And then they said to do a left front wheel bearing, because they had some type of machine where it kind of tells you where the noise is coming from. Like, it was for the chassis, so you know, wherever that noise was coming from, they had that on there. And then they said go with the left front wheel bearing and then see if we get some noise out of that. And we're not getting nothing right now. So this is me going left. I'm gonna go the right way. And I'll put a clip up again before how it sound before we did the repairs, but it's good.